In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a Discord message from Glide. The first step is to integrate your Glide app with Discord. For this, open your Glide app and go to the project where you want to set this up. At the top of your screen, click on the Settings option, and from the list that appears, select Integrations to open the integration menu. On the right-hand side search box, type Discord, and when it appears, click on it. Then click the option Add to App. A new window will open. If you're already signed into Discord, you'll immediately see a screen asking you to allow permissions. If not, Discord will first ask you to log in. Once you reach the permissions screen, choose the Discord server where Glide will be allowed to send messages. After selecting the server, click Continue, then grant the permissions by clicking Authorize. Discord may ask you to complete a CAPTCHA to verify you're a human. After that, the integration will be successful. Now open your Discord app and go to the server you selected during the integration. Select the channel where you want Glide to send messages. In the URL bar, you will see a long 19-digit number after the last slash. This is the channel ID. Copy that number. Next, return to your Glide app and go to the part of your app from where you want to send the message. This could be any section because there are countless possibilities for when a message might need to be sent. For my example, I have a contact form, and I want Glide to send a Discord message whenever someone submits the form. Once you are in the correct location, scroll down the right-hand side menu until you reach the Action section. Click on the Action drop-down, type Discord, and select Send Message to Channel. In the first field, paste the channel ID you copied earlier. In the second field, type the message you want to send to the Discord channel. You can also insert dynamic fields like the person's name, subject, or any other information from your form. In my case, I inserted the name and the subject so the message clearly shows who submitted the form and what they submitted it for. To test this, I created a sample form in which the name is John Doe and the subject is difficulty in navigating items. After submitting the form, I opened my Discord server and Glide had posted the message exactly as I set it up. This confirms that the integration is working perfectly, and this is how you can send a Discord message from Glide.